The Creality Hi Combo 3D printer is designed to make filament management effortless with its innovative Creality Filament System that automates selection and storage while enabling vibrant multicolor prints. Equipped with a built-in RFID filament reader, the printer automatically identifies filament type and color, eliminating the need for manual inputs and streamlining the printing process. With advanced automatic bed leveling, this printer ensures a perfect first layer every time, thanks to its precision mechanics and strain gauge technology that create an accurate leveling mesh. Operating at a noise level as low as 48 decibels, the Hi Combo 3D printer is remarkably quiet, making it suitable for use in any room without causing disturbance. The printer comes almost fully assembled, allowing even beginners to start printing quickly, and features a convenient fold-away display and a privacy-protecting webcam. Built with a robust all-metal frame, the Creality Hi Combo offers both durability and a sleek design, with precision rails ensuring stability and accuracy for every print.